Nox Switchblade, 8.5 inches long. Total length, the blade is 4 inches long. Here's a demo. Clicking it back in, and old style switchblade, you hit a small button on the side. And blade pops open. Hasn't been seen much use, so it'll need more action to get a little smoother. And then pop it back in. Easy enough. It has a nice locking action, so when it does lock open, it's not gonna shut and cut your fingertips off. So it's a secure switchblade, up for auction. Blade itself's in good shape. Made by Nox, N-O-X. Thanks for looking.